welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, I got a good gift from a great special someone. And I am so excited. So I do my little okay, before I show you all. And it's from the House of Sillage. Oh my goodness, honey. I was not expecting this, but I am so glad that my special someone decided to trickle on down to House Sillage and pick something up for me, which is Tweety. You all, look at this. I haven't even unwrapped it. I'm going to, but I have Tweety, okay? So I know Tweety to be a citrus, I think like a white floral, fruity, musky type of fragrance. And so he gave me the option of bugs. He was like, so do you, he was trying to be slick, you know, that's what he was trying to do. He was trying to be secretive, but it really didn't work. He tried. Okay, so I'll still call it a surprise because he was trying his best, but I'm too nosy. So I was choosing between Wednesday from the Addams Family, that cupcake. He was like giving me the notes, and I think that one is just like a little bit too peppery for me. I've tried a sample of that and it's just a little too spicy for me. And then the Bugs Bunny one, I heard it's kind of green, and you all know how I am about green and greenery and grass and trees. I'm not always a fan of green. Like, there have been things that have a green note that really work out well for me. And then there are things that are not so much, because I'm like, oh, am I the grass cutting girl? Like, no. So I wasn't sure about the Bugs Bunny one, but I've heard some great things about Tweety. So I was like, let's get Tweety, okay? So let's open her up.
I've been trying for like a half an hour and I can't get it open.
2 hours later.
So, I did it! Got it open.
Ooh, da-da-da! Oh my goodness, and look. So pretty, okay? Do you all know about Looney Tunes? I would hope you all know who Tweety is, right? Okay, definitely a childhood character that we all, well, I mean, hopefully all of us love. I mean, Tweety was trying to get away from being eaten.
I thought I saw a putty cat. I did saw a putty cat.
Okay, I mean, what? Anyway, we don't have to go into that, but look at that. Look at her. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Okay, House of Sillage does it so well. I'll say it all the time. The packaging of it all, just the beauty of it. I love it. Honey, if they do a Bridgerton one, sign me up. If they do any, like, I've said it before, if they do like Black Panther or something like that, sign me up. Okay, but I absolutely love this. I love that this is the new edition cupcake to my House of Sillage collection. So I'm going to sniff and try this with you all. First impression for the first time. Let's see what the girlie is given. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I smell peach. Yes. Oh yes, and it's very bright. Like my eye, like gives me very bright, very uplifting, very peach. So if you love a good peach scent, yes, and yes. Oh wow, I love this. And the florals to me sit on the, I smell it, but it kind of is like a it's a very good partner, okay? There's a very good partnership with this. It kind of sits in the background, but you can smell it, but it's like a supporting character. Oh, so good, so good. Oh, wow, I love this. Oh, does this need to be the scent of the day? Oh, this is so good. Oh, yeah. So if you love a good, if you love a good peach, you definitely get the citrus. So if you like a good peach, not lemon heavy, but very much very bright, very peach, very even fresh. I would even give you like fresh. This is so good. Let's see what the notes carry, okay? Shall we? Top notes, we have bergamot, lemon, apple. Middle notes, we have lily, jasmine, peach. There we go. Peony, rose, musk, and woody notes. Okay, so it does have peach. In the middle, I would think it would be top. But now that it's talking about apple, that could be the freshness, maybe a little crisp, but that may be where the fresh is coming from, but it's so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Very good job, my special someone, and very great purchase. Highly would recommend if you're looking for a spring, summer uplifting fragrance and a cute little Tweety cupcake. Halle! Pick this up. This is so good. Well, I have to wear it, but share your thoughts if you have Tweety. I would love to know what you think, okay? But let's get into some other thoughts I have. Okay. Honey, I wasn't ready. Okay, Bath and Body Works, I was not ready.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready. Okay. Y'all were talking about Covered in Roses, right? You're like, oh, it's like Delina. And I'm like, okay. But it does smell like Delina, okay? But, the lasting power on this, you don't need, listen, Covered in Roses, Bath and Body Works, I will be getting a re-up of that. I will be getting a backup spray. And you all know how I am about the sprays. Like, I do not need another one. I'm going to get another one of this because you don't need a perfume added, okay? This sits great by itself. Like, I got compliments and I was like, I'm only wearing a body spray. I'm not wearing a fragrance. I'm not wearing a perfume. This is absolutely great. The longevity of it, excuse me. Okay, I have never experienced at this point of time, right? There might be some of you all that have experienced this, right? I'm talking about me right now. I have not experienced a long-lasting body spray like this, okay? There are like some that are long, okay, but like this, that smells luxury and has a staying power, and people compliment you thinking that you are wearing a luxury fragrance. If you have not picked up any of the collection with the luxury replicas or, inspired fragrances, if you have not picked up any of them, this is one to definitely pick up, okay? Hear me now. Hear your sis now. Now, men, if you want to smell like a rose, here you go, okay? Now, I don't think that, brothers, I just don't think this is for you, okay? But if you want to smell like a rose, my bros, my cousins, if you do, this is it, okay? This is definitely Baby Delina, but the staying power, unmatched, okay? I had to come back because I didn't know. This has shut me up for life about, Fine Fragrance Mist, what? They can do exactly what the luxury, they can do it. They can do it. In this bottle, they can do it. If they want to. And clearly they wanted to in this moment. This is so good. Okay. Definitely getting this. Okay. Get this. Oh, I got it. But I'm definitely getting another one. Okay. You know what I'm saying. Moving on. Next up, honey, let's talk about Tizianaterenzi Orza. Okay. Honey, I was excited. This is on my tray. Excited to pull out Orza because it's spring summer. This is a part of my tray. Let's pull her out, pull her out. Now, honey, this is an example of when overspraying is not needed for everything. And even if you don't have the nose to smell that you have oversprayed, the people around you will know that you have choked them out. Okay? I done choked out the people on this. Okay? Orza, I done choked the people. The people was choking on this one. Okay? I did overspray and I wasn't smelling it. Like, I wasn't smelling it like it was going to choke the people out. I mean, the people were excited. They complimented. They were like, you smell, oh my goodness, you smell really good. Like, you move, your scent stays in the room. Like, those were some of my coworkers were saying. They just didn't, then they just started sneezing. They started sneezing. I was like, am I choking out the people? Okay? I do not need to be in jail for choking people out. But, so caution on this. This might not be an overspray for this season. Maybe winter, maybe fall, winter. Because I didn't have this experience when I did wear this in the fall. Like, I did not have this choke out experience. So maybe when the weather gets a little cooler, then you can overspray more. But in this season called spring and summer, don't overspray this. Spray very cautiously because this is strong. Does it smell good? Yes. Did I get compliments? Yes. Now, is this more feminine or masculine? Definitely, to me, more feminine. Okay. Definitely a fruity fragrance, but it has this character with the fruity fragrance. It definitely has this depth to it. So this has your mandarin orange, so it's a citrus fragrance, but it also gives you this fruity depth. This has plum. Let me go over the notes with you. So we have wild berries, coconut, green apple, plum. See, a whole lot of fruits. We have orchid, mandarin orange, magnolia. We have jasmine. Middle notes, we have jasmine, lily of the valley, Bulgarian rose. Base notes, we have caramel, musk, Madagascar vanilla. We have sandalwood, benzoin, and amber. All those notes combined, that's a lot of notes, okay? And so just be mindful. And so this is really good, very good fruity. Again, has depth to this. This is not just your ordinary, fruity white floral fragrance. It's not that. It's definitely more depth into this. Would I say sexy? Yeah, it gives a little bit of a sexiness, but it's definitely a dominant fruity scent. So definitely be mindful that even if you don't smell yourself, those around you smell you, sis. Okay? Proceed with caution. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, I had to share, honey, Caramelo Vanilla. You're like, what? From New Notes. So a influence purchase from the AI the Great. Honey, what's new? But when I say talking about cotton candy, dulce de leche, and all these gourmand, I was like, oh yes, sign me up. Like, who you talking to? This is beautiful. This is absolutely amazing and beautiful and all the things, all the beauty. But when I say this is the wrong season for all the things and all this beauty and all, like, I didn't like it. I did not like it now. But I liked the fragrance, but no. When I wore it, I was like, oh, get this off my tray. This is not the vibes. This is not the vibes now. So this will be put to the side, ready for fall and winter. But I know that some people might be wearing this now, but again, like, not the vibes I've been on. Did I want to wear this? But this is beautiful. Like, please don't get me wrong. This is a great vanilla, caramel, dulce, like very gourmand. If you love vanilla, you would love this. This is really a great fragrance. But when I say this will be great in the fall and winter for myself, You can wear it whenever you want, but for me, my vibe of this will be a little bit later on. But I'm so glad about this. I'm excited about this purchase. Now, if you're looking for something like this, kind of a gourmand vanilla scent, pick this up. Absolutely. But if you want to wait for that type of vibe, then wait it out. But I am glad that this is now added to my collection. This will be removed from my tray though, but not for the reason that I don't like it. It's just not the time. Well, that is all. That's all, family. For my recent and my first impression experiences, what are some fragrances that you have been rocking and rolling with? What are your experiences? What are some of your first impressions? I would love to know. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Give me the thumbs up so that a lot more people can see my channel and video. Please, 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 please help your sis out. So yes, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Even if you don't have anything to say in the comments, thumbsing up is a great way, a free way to help a sister out. But make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.